that is nice quality, that you know that it's really hard to replace it. You know what I mean? It takes you a lot of time, so you might as well do it once. All right, so overall, really nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm actually going to be replacing all of the light bulbs, the interior light bulbs for my wife's car. This is a 2012 GMC Acadia, and we're just gonna try to replace as many light bulbs as we can, and we're gonna replace it with this brand right here. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so to open this one, we're just gonna pop a little flat head in here, and then we'll move it down. Alright, so once you get it down to like this, you just release. There's a, for the light or for the power, just push it in, and you're gonna remove it. Alright, so once you have it down like this, we're gonna open, we'll loosen like a couple screws, one right here, one right here, and one right here. I think a total 3. Alright, so for these screws, you use the T10 or torque 10 to loosen the 3. It's fairly easy. There's one on the flip around so you guys can see it. There's one right here. I want to just move that a little bit out the way a little bit. All right. So once we got this, we're gonna flip it over. All right, and this is what we have. So you can see the light bulbs. See if I can just remove them. If I can't, I might have to get something to push it from the bottom side up. See if I can wiggle it out. Yeah, it's kind of hard to take it out with my bare hands. So, I can't really take it out. Move this reflector. Okay, so let me find something. So let's see, since I can't pull it up, let's see if I can push it from the back end so we can get the light bulb out of there. This is too sharp. Let's see if I can wiggle it out. No, unless you can push it. Yeah, so if you push it hard enough, it'll come out. Jesus Christ. Yeah, once you push it out, you just put these the new lights in and just push it all the way down. All right. Make sure it goes all the way down. All right, so when it sits flush all the way in, we know we're good. All right, so now they're both in. We're just gonna put it back. And we're gonna tighten it. Let it sit in here. in, and we're just gonna alright, so that one's in. Do the one over here. And the last one. Alright, so we're in, and here's a spare, or not the factory one, the light bulb. Right, so now we just do the reverse. As you can see, I have the doors open, and as soon as I plug that in, it turns on. So that means working. All right, so once you hear the click, you just put it back in, and just make sure you put it in the correct orientations, and you just pop it back inside. All right, so remember, these are just clips that are holding it. There we go. That one's done. Now let's go to the back. I don't know if you notice the difference, or if you can tell the difference, but there, the lights on the factory one and the one at the front. Same thing. We'll just pull it out. Back here, a little bit easier. Yes. Okay, so finally got it out. So just here, there's just a clip right here. Push it in, and you should be able to remove it. Stuck pretty hard. This one. Well, let's see if I can do it while it's on there. I probably can. Okay, so let's see if I can remove this. This one. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it there, and I'm just gonna remove the 3 screws from here. Light bulbs again. If I can't, then I can use this little thing here, push it down. Okay, so I found a lot easier if you can get something like this. It's this small and this long, so you can, when you stick it in inside the hole right here. So I'll show it to you guys. So right here in the center, if you stick it in there, the light bulb will come out easily. So as you can see right here, this thing is held on by 2 clips, 1, 2, and then that one, the 2 in the front, and that's just to hold on the liner. That's it. All right, and we're pretty much done with this one. See, the third row, middle row, and the front, they're all working. Very nice. So this is the one on the lift gate. It's right here. You just got a screwdriver and you put it here, you lift a little bit just like this side, and it just comes out. And again, this one is a lot easier because you can see full access here, so you can take this light bulb out. But the one and those one is kind of a little bit hard, but we got it out. And these are the 2 that are on the lift gate. Very nice, clear. You guys can see here, this is, sorry for the lighting, but my GoPro died, so I'm using my cell phone right now, and you can see the lights, they're pretty nice and clear. This is daytime license plate. For the license plate, these are not really actual screws, these are like plastic screws. So if you just lift it with a flat screwdriver, you better get it out. So here it is, this is for the license plates. That's what it looks like for the license plate. Okay, so we just completed the task of the installation, and these are the 2 that we use mainly. You don't really need this. You need this, and this thing right here. We don't need this. Okay, and that's all you need. And I think there's one, the torque number 10 and torque number 15. The T10 and T15, that's the one that you need. Right? I think that is nice quality. That you know that it's really hard to replace it, you know what I mean. It takes you a lot of time, so you might as well do it once. All right, so overall really nice. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. You can see like a little whitish bluish colors, pretty nice. I really like it. It gives us a good angles. Overall I really love it. If you're gonna replace